watching Daily Diet News. Today we are at Delhi at Shiksha Mahotsav. So let's see which universities are there and what they are providing right now. Hi sir.
Hi.
So sir, I want to ask you what IREAD is actually giving to students which is different from other universities.
Okay, so IREAD, let me first tell you what is the full form of it.
Yes.
Institute of Real Estate Education and Entrepreneurship Development. So, as the name suggests, the idea is to build skilled workforce for the industry, specifically real estate, and we are trying to create a manpower which is ready to be utilized for various development companies. Now, a serious student who is looking to build a career in real estate, I think IREAD is the best solution for them.
Okay.
Starting from their education on strategic development,
Yes.
tying up with various development companies,
yeah.
giving them the real-time experience, and then enabling them to work from day one. So that's the whole idea of IREAD. So it is purely based on job development, getting them the best job which a student can acquire after his graduation or post-graduation.
Okay, sir, I want to ask you what you have rather than this. Like students and parents are always fond of scholarships. They want, some students need scholarships. So what are you about that? Like what do you give in against of scholarships?
Okay, so it's very pertinent. You have asked a very important question. Scholarships के लिए, now that depends on what is the qualification of the student, how much scores he have attained in his class 12th graduation, and based on a certain criteria, we definitely there is the student can avail a scholarship.
Yeah.
So it depends on his past performance.
Okay, so sir, any particular I can say achievements which your university has cast till now that students can be attracted towards her?
Okay, so we are doing this program in association with DCOIL, which is a part of a DPG degree college in Gurgaon,
Okay.
which has more than a decade of experience with more than 10,000 students studying at the moment. Past experience, we have for our program, which is an industry-oriented program, we have tied up with IIM for a strategic enablement for about 15 days in campus learning, ताकि बच्चा वो पढ़ के जाए जो इंडस्ट्री में उसको जरूरत हो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस में.
Thank you so much, sir. It's very nice. Thank you. Hi, ma'am. So, anything you want to tell about your university which is different from other universities?
So, first of all, we are carrying a legacy of 32 years, and now we are at 52 position in NRF ranking, and this is a plus point that we have been doing several events here, and this is our ongoing process with the SAHU events. So yes, we are there into that prominent universities, and students are most they are coming with very open-hearted, and they love to welcome, like they love to come to Graphic Era, and yes, they will be very happy to join our university.
Okay, ma'am, I want to ask you that AI is playing a very vital role right now. So what is your university is giving in against AI?
Okay, so nowadays we have even introduced AI with the MBA.
Okay.
So that is a very plus point that even in the managerial positions, AI is playing a very important role, and students are getting very good placements, into lakhs. So that is a very most important role playing in today's industry. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. And the last and the most important question about scholarships. Students and parents are very fond of this thing. So what do you want to say to that?
Okay, so recently we have started with a GSET exam,
Okay.
in which students can go for this exam for UG and PG courses, and they can score up to 100% scholarship on the tuition fees. So that is a very plus point. We even have academic scholarships on like up to 75%. We have girl candidate 10% concession, defense personnel 5%. So there are many good scholarships nowadays.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's nice to meet you. Hi, sir.
Hello.
So, sir, what do you want to tell us about KR Mangalam University? It's a very high university, we all know. So, anything else you want to tell students which is new to this university?
See, we do provide theoretical plus practical knowledge.
Okay.
What university is focusing upon is the theoretical knowledge. But apart from that, there is a requirement of practical knowledge. So, like courses like law or BCA, like BCA, we have tie-up with a different company like IBM. So, faculty from IBM will come. They will also provide the theoretical knowledge plus the practical knowledge how the company works. Plus, like law, we have different advisory board, like we have judges from Supreme Court, like Justice U.U. Lalit, Justice A.M. Marde, Justice A.P. Shah. So they will come, they will let you know the practical aspect of the subject, that how a practical subject works, how a law works. So apart from theoretical knowledge, we also provide the practical knowledge.
Okay. So with practical knowledge, right now AI is on top. So everybody needs to understand AI and everybody needs to know the positive and negative part of AI. So what are you doing for that?
See, we are providing a course related to AI and the law.
Yeah.
So AI and law, we are providing a specialization course in AI that is providing the regulation on AI, how we can regulate the AI. So in this, we have a unit that how we can, although AI is helping the student, but apart from that, we have certain concern regarding AI, like privacy concern, like we have issue related to deepfake.
Yes.
So we are providing a course regarding regulation on AI, so how to regulate AI. We are also providing a PhD on the same course. Okay.
So we know KR Mangalam has a very great, placements. So anything which is new in placements, any new companies which have joined, so students are attracted towards it?
Yes, actually we have a cell, CDC cell,
Yes.
which is working for the student placement. From the first year, we focus how the student will get the placement.
Yeah.
We are also providing the job fairs. Different company from different places are coming to university and they are hiring the students.
Hello, ma'am.
So I want to know about university. What special you are giving to the students, which so they are attracted towards your university?
Okay. Firstly, I'd say that we are from Devbhoomi Uttarakhand
Yes.
University. ठीक है, जैसा कि नाम देवभूमि, ठीक है, वी आर फ्रॉम देहरादून. अगर मैं बात करूँ यूनिवर्सिटी की, ये 43 एकर्स में है. ओके, वी हैव 120+ कोर्सेज एंड हम क्या अलग दे रहे हैं, वी आर गिविंग प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर. लाइक थ्योरी तो सभी करवाते हैं, राइट, है ना. थ्योरी बेस्ड करिकुलम अब आउटडेटेड हो चुका है. एज पर NEP न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें लॉन्च हुई हैं, राइट, जिसमें गवर्नमेंट ने भी ये कहा है कि आप जो है बच्चों को प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर दीजिए, राइट. क्योंकि विदाउट प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर क्या होता था, पहले क्या होता था, बच्चे केवल थ्योरी के बेसिस पे पढ़ते थे, और वो चीज़ें बुक्स पढ़ते थे, और वो चीज़ें एक्चुअली जब वो जाते थे कहीं भी तो वो चीज़ें कहीं इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं होती थी, है ना. तो अब क्या हो रहा है, लाइक हमारे पास इंक्यूबेशन सेल है, इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर है, उसमें बच्चे क्या करते हैं, अपना स्टार्टअप्स के लिए प्लान करते हैं, तो उसके लिए भी हम हेल्प आउट करते हैं. हमारे बहुत सारे बच्चों ने कॉलेज लेवल पे पेटेंट करवा लिए अपने बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स, जो कि मतलब आप खुद समझ सकते हैं, अगर बच्चा यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे ये काम कर ले रहा है तो आगे उसके लिए कितना बेनिफिशियल रहेगा, है ना. तो सबसे मेन चीज़ ये.
ठीक है मैम, मैं दूसरा ये पूछना चाहूँगी, देहरादून दूर है जगह, अगर दिल्ली के स्टूडेंट्स देहरादून आएंगे तो वो भी एक सेटलमेंट लेके आएंगे, हॉस्टल्स की, फैसिलिटीज़ की, तो कैसे, कितनी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ आप लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि स्टूडेंट वहाँ आना चाहे, रहना चाहे?
मैम, हमारे पास सभी फैसिलिटीज विद इन कैंपस अवेलेबल है, राइट, फॉर गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज बोथ.
ओके,
ठीक है, विद इन कैंपस हमारे पास हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी है, जिम है, विद इन कैंपस सारी फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल है.
Okay.
और अगर मैं बात करूँ, आप कह रहे हैं दिल्ली,
yeah.
हमारे पास सभी स्टेट से बच्चे हैं.
ओके,
ठीक है, ऑल ओवर स्टेट्स. बिहार इससे दूर पड़ता है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, हमारे पास अदर स्टेट से क्या मैम, हमारे पास अदर कंट्रीज से भी स्टूडेंट हैं. तो दिल्ली बहुत दूर नहीं रह गया, और अब एक्सप्रेसवे बनने के बाद तो 2.5 आवर्स का ही सफर रहेगा, तो अब तो आप
वैसे ही मैनेज कर सकते हैं,
बहुत जल्दी मैनेज कर सकते हैं, इजीली मैनेज.
ओके मैम, लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा ये था कि ये जो आप स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह, जैसे मैंने और यूनिवर्सिटी से बात की थी तो मुझे पता लगा कि यहाँ स्कॉलरशिप्स बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज अलग अलग लेवल पे दे रहे हैं, तो आप लोग क्या ये स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए?
मैम, अगर स्कॉलरशिप की बात करें, हमारे पास बहुत सारी स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, मेरिट बेस्ड है, बच्चे के मेरिट के अकॉर्डिंग. आर्मी पर्सन स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आर्मी बैकग्राउंड से हैं, क्योंकि देखिए वो देश की सेवा कर रहे हैं,
yes,
तो है ना, तो वो उनका मतलब एक वो है हमारे लिए, हम उनका सम्मान करते हैं इसके लिए. हमारे पास आर्मी पर्सन स्कॉलरशिप है, गर्ल चाइल्ड स्कॉलरशिप है, बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ, तो ये भी हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें मैम, तो हमारे पास और भी अदर स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, लाइक सिंगल पेरेंट है ना, बहुत सारी स्कॉलरशिप है. कई बच्चे जो मतलब बैकवर्ड एरिया से आते हैं तो उनके लिए है ना, और अदर स्टेट स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, बहुत सारे स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, डिपेंड करता है बच्चे पे.
बच्चा क्या है, ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू. So this was all about the universities and what they are providing. So for more updates, watch Daily Diary News.